In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin ribbon in Microsoft Outlook. If you want the ribbon in Outlook to stay visible, so your tools and options are easier to access, this is a very quick setting to adjust. The good news is that in Outlook on the web, you do not actually need to manually pin the ribbon in the traditional sense. Once you choose the ribbon layout, Outlook will keep that as your default until you decide to change it again. To get started, go to your Outlook inbox. Make sure you are on the main mail screen where you can see your messages and the top navigation area. This is where the display and layout options are available. Once you are in your inbox, look toward the top of the screen and click on the View tab. The View tab is where Outlook places settings related to how your mailbox appears. So if you are trying to change the way the toolbar or ribbon is displayed, this is the right place to begin. After clicking View, find the layout option in the top row and select it. This opens the layout settings for your Outlook interface. If you do not see it immediately, just take a moment to scan across the top menu because it should be located among the display-related controls. Inside the layout settings, click on Ribbon. This is the option that controls whether the ribbon interface is shown. By selecting Ribbon here, you are telling Outlook that you want that expanded toolbar style to remain available while you work. One important thing to know is that you do not need to do anything extra to pin it afterward. Simply choosing ribbon in the layout options is enough. Outlook will keep this as the default view until you go back and change the setting yourself. So if you were expecting a separate pin button, you can skip that step entirely. This is helpful if you regularly use Outlook features in the top toolbar and do not want them hidden or collapsed. Keeping the ribbon visible can make it faster to move between mail actions, formatting tools, and other common commands. And that's all there is to it. Go to your Outlook inbox, open the View tab, choose Layout, and then select Ribbon. Once it's selected, the ribbon will stay as your default layout unless you change it later. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly customize your Outlook workspace.